Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the update requires restart error tutorial. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is, if you have Black Ops 6 downloaded through Xbox app, you can go ahead and open that up, and you can go ahead and look for Call of Duty on the left, and it should say update, or you can just go over to my library. You can go ahead and click on Activision, and you can go ahead and see if there's an update right here, and you can go ahead and update it from there. Once that is updated, you should be good to go. You can either restart your PC, and once that is done, you can go ahead and go open back up Black Ops 6, and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is go over to Steam, look for Call of Duty. It should again say update right here. You can go ahead and hit update, but if it doesn't, what you can do is go over to the Call of Duty again, right click on it, hit properties, and then go to installed files, and then go ahead and just click on verify integrity of game files. If you have any like missing or corrupt files, this will basically just fix that issue, and then you can go ahead and open up Black Ops 6, and you can check to see if that also fixes the issue. Third method I just recommend doing is simply just restarting your PC or restarting the application once it's open, and once you do all of these steps, these guys should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.